Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. In this part of our presentation, I'll be introducing the Asian Highway Network, which is known as AHN. So what is AHN? The Asian Highway Network is an international highway system developed by UNESCO, which connect over 30 countries across Asia. It includes more than 140,000 kilometers of roads, and it designed to support trade, transport, tourism across the region. So next is route numbering system. Each highway in the AHN is labeled using AH followed by a number. Some example are AH1, which is the longest route stretch from Japan to Turkey and passes through Malaysia. So AH2, which run from Indonesia to Iran, and in Malaysia, it follows our Plus Highway. For AH18, which run along Malaysia's east coast, connecting cities like Kuantan and Kota Baru. Next part is Malaysian's role. Malaysia is a part of both AH2 and AH18 routes. We play an important role in linking Singapore and Thailand through Malaysia. Our part of the highway uses existing route like North-South Expressway, which are upgraded to support international standard. So next point is project purpose. The main goal of the Asian Highway Network is to improve road quality and safety, strengthen economy link between countries, and make travel and cargo movement faster and easier across border. So that's all from me for the introduction. Thank you for listening, and I'll pass it over to the next presenter.
I'll be sharing a quick overview of the Asian Highway Network, or AHN. The project was first initiated by UNESCO in 1959 to improve road connectivity across Asia, with early efforts focusing on mapping existing roads and encouraging cooperation. In 1992, the project was revived under the Asian Land Transport Infrastructure Development, or ALTID, in response to growing economic integration in Asia. It also included railway and dry port development. A major milestone was in 2003 when over 30 countries signed the Intergovernmental Agreement. This provided a legal framework and established over 141,000 kilometers of highway routes, with standard routes number like AH1 and AH2. During the 2000s and 2010s, countries like China, India, and Malaysia upgraded key roads, aligning the AHN with regional projects like the Belt and Road Initiative and the Greater Mekong Sub-region corridors. Today, the focus is on sustainability and smart transport solutions, but challenges remain such as funding, cross-border regulations, and geopolitical issues.
Hello, so I will present about current development for the Asian Highway Network. So currently the project status AHN is still in progress across 30 countries, and also same roads are fully developed, others are being upgraded or newly built, and also the goal are to match international highway standard. For the cross-border collaboration, it's working with Thailand and Singapore, and also it's upgrading custom, immigration, and border checkpoints. Last but not least, it supports smooth travel, trade, and tourism. For Malaysia progress, for the main road AH2 North-South Expressway and AH18 East Coast, the roads is in good condition, used by domestic and international traffic, and also its upgrades ongoing at border areas such as Bukit Kayu Hitam and also Johor Bahru. It's more focused for better road quality, signage, and border efficiency. And lastly, the current development for across Asia, like countries like Thailand, Vietnam, Cambodia, continue the road upgrading, and also some are building bridges and expanding lanes. And AHNs remains long-term and ongoing regional efforts.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zikri Muhammad Jeffrey, and I would like to introduce to you guys about impact of the ASEAN Highway Network. Malaysia's strategical regional role located at the crossroad of mainland and maritime Southeast Asia. Malaysia plays a vital role in enhanced connectivity across the ASEAN region. Its central position has enabled it to act as a bridge between countries, contributing directly to the flow of goods, service, and people. Key contribution to regional integrations. ASEAN Infrastructure Fund AIF, Malaysia is the largest donor, contributing over 150 million US. The host the AIF headquarters, highlighting its leadership in regional economic initiative. Bilateral project collaborations with neighbors such as Indonesia and Thailand includes Melaka Pekanbaru submarine cables, Sarawak West Kalimantan Creek. This project deepen energy security and foster stronger economic ties, cross-border trade and transport enhancement. The AH2 route linking Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore improves trade, logistics and facilitates seamless transportation, reduce time and cost for the businesses. Infrastructure diplomacy. Malaysia used its infrastructure project not only for economic benefit but also strengthen political and diplomatic ties. It now stands as a regional connector physically via highway and cables, diplomatic through leadership in infrastructure corporations. For the second one is economic impact perspective. Inclusive development. Malaysia ASEAN related investment promote growth in underdevelopment areas like Sabah Sarawak, previously marginalized due to poor infrastructure. Through programs like MPAC and its with support from ADB, the region now benefit from improved roads, power, access and connectivity. Job creation and SME growth. Larger scale projects such as the Pan-Borneo Highway have generate thousands of employment opportunities. Better logistics and market access allow SMEs to integrate into supply chains more activity. Social benefit and poverty reductions. Improved transport means better access to healthcare, education and rural employment, particularly benefiting vulnerable communities. And investment and microeconomic uplift. Malaysia's strategic involvement in ASEAN boosts its reputation as logistic, transport and manufacturing hub. The nation's modern infrastructure attracting multinational corporations seeking on ASEAN-based economic transportations. Participation in ASEAN is building investor confidence, enhance regional equity and propelling Malaysia towards its goal, becoming a regional logistic and economic powerhouse.
Malaysia's economy depends heavily on export, and thanks to the Asian Highway Network, we now have over 2,200 km of upgraded roads that meet Asian standards. This helps us move goods more efficiently. For example, products such as electronics, car, and industrial products between Malaysia, Thailand, and also Singapore. The Asian Highway Network also connects road to key ports like Penang and Port Klang, helping us reach global markets like China and Japan faster. But here's the catch. Asia still trades mostly with the outside world, but only 25% of the trade happens within Asia. That's much less than in regions like the Europe. Why? It is because custom delays and different regulation. Malaysia has a great opportunity here, not just to build infrastructure, but to lead in digital custom and smart trade policies that unlock more value from regional trade. The Asian Highway Network has made travel across Malaysia faster and cheaper. It's all thanks to the project like AH2 and the Pan-Borneo Highway. It connects remote communities to cities, creating access to jobs, education and also healthcare. Regionally, the network supports cross-border transport. ATM is expanding services into Thailand, boosting tourism and trade. During emergency, better roads allow faster aid and evacuation. These mobility gains also support businesses, helping them manage supply chains and workforce delivery across Asia. In short, Asian Highway Network improves how we move, physically, economically, and socially, leading to a more connected and fairer future.
To conclude, the Asian Highway Network is more than a series of connected roads. It is a critical role in regional development. For Malaysia, this initiative unlocks stronger ties with neighbouring countries. It also fosters economic growth through improved infrastructure and enables the smoother movement of goods, services and people. While physical upgrades are clearly visible, the true potential lies in addressing policy level challenges like custom and trade barrier. If Malaysia continues to lead in both infrastructure development and regulatory coordination, we can position ourselves not only as a regional transit hub but also as a driver of Asia's collective prosperity. In essence, the Asian Highway Network is not just about mobility, it's about building an inclusive, connected and future ready. Thank you.